Good morning, world. Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. In today's agenda, we're going straight to the point again, like we always do. We are gonna attempt to put my old C1 intakes on the Q, the ones that I bought for the G when I first got it. Well, not got it, but like did the swap. I've had some other ones here. They've done the job, whatever, they're cool, but they're like plastic and I'm not too crazy about them though, just being honest here. They fit perfect because I mean, yeah, they're for the car. So we are gonna be, I know I'm gonna have to cut some shit up because they're long tube intakes. They're supposed to go through the bumper. They're for G37s and 370s. So here, I know I'm probably gonna have to cut this like somewhere over here for it to fit because these puppies are long. So yeah, initially I was gonna go and do like a whole reroute and then have them show up like right here in the front. That would have been cool, but then you have to take the whole bumper out, the wheel, because it'll have to come in through like back there somewhere. Sorry. And yeah, that's just more crap to do, and then something goes wrong, then you have to take all that shit out and then redo it. So we're not gonna do that. So stop talking and let's get to it now. Well, that's pretty nasty in there. Look at this thing, all dirty and shit. So yeah, this is part of it for this intakes. It'll be interesting. I hope these damn things fit. So I'm probably gonna have to take this out along with the whole intake bullshit, so I can have more space and hopefully it'll fit. I'm gonna be pissed if it doesn't, but you'll be here to see it all. Alright, so I can probably just take this shit out after I take these fuckers off. That, and then I knew I needed that damn shit for this crap. Alright, hold on. Well, this is something very interesting. I was gonna try and sell them forward or whatever, these things, but you just notice we got a little crack there. Hold up, right there, you see it? And then I'm gonna go try to pull it off. This bitch is already broken. Damn. There goes all that. Look at that. It's got a whole ass piece left in there. Piece of fucking junk. Well, good thing I decided to do this shit now. Look. Holy fuck. They were like $300, $400 or some bullshit like that for some cheap ass plastic. Good thing I kept the other ones here, because fuck, that would have been bad. So yeah, the more you know. Fucking piece of shit. Oh look, it just falls apart. Cheap shit. Yeah, guess I can't sell it now. Alright, let's take this damn box out of the way here. That line's gonna be fun to move. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it there. Try to move it somewhere. I don't know, we'll see, we'll find something. Well, there's a good one here, at least somewhat for now. I'm gonna have to take this thing, this fucker filters. I'm gonna have to reuse them because I know the other ones are way too long for it. So I'll just keep the other ones here just in case. Maybe swap with those or whatever. Not, I don't know. But yeah, bummer. It's a bummer. Oh, there goes that. Huh. Piece of junk. Shit. And now here we are. The fun part. So I don't know if they'll go like this Look at that. Don't even have space for shit here. Or because I think that's too far in. If I'm not mistaken, they go face down like this somewhat. I don't know, we're gonna figure this out. All right, so I knew I was gonna have to find some way to make this shit work or whatnot, but I don't know it was gonna be this freaking difficult. So I got this shit right here, but the intake will fit in there, and I don't think I can. Well, I'm not gonna take the risk of cutting this right here or anything. No. So I need to find, I don't know, some type of intake that'll fit in there, because that one's too, the opening it's too wide, and the other one, the C1, it's like just way too long. So I don't have to go find one. Hopefully I can find something, because now I'm in this shit too deep. I gotta make it freaking work. So even if I can just find one, like just push it all the way in there and make it work somehow. But yeah, this is the lovely stuff that goes with doing car shit. So at least we got that one running for now, so that's a plus. All right, so this is what we got so far. They're on there. This one sits a little higher. I don't know why, but I mean, well, kind of know why it doesn't belong there, but you get it. And this one looks good, looks fine. But I just need to find a filter now that will work for both of them. So I was gonna try that one, but those are 3-inch, so it's way too big for this. And the ones that I had on the other intakes, the opening was still too big also, so just need to find something that'll fit perfect. But that's that right there. Yeah, that's very fucking annoying, but oh well. All right, y'all, not me doing what I said I wasn't gonna do. So I've been searching around and whatnot for some intake filters, whatever, and for a good brand, like decent brand, whatever, I'm paying like 200 and something just for the filters, which, I mean, I get it, whatever. But to be able to do the whole over, like under here, and have it exposed in there, to buy all the piping for that, it's just $100. So boy math here, we gonna take the bumper out and we're just gonna go that route. Yep, because why not? I already have the intake, so just a little bit of work. Plus I need to fix this right here. You can see right there, it's got a little crack or whatever, not. So we get we're taking it all out. I 100% hate taking this bumper off. There's always something breaking, so we already see here. I'll just try to glue that shit back in somehow. And I probably won't put that bumper back in until I get smaller tires, because these things are not it. 275s? Yeah, no. But yeah, it has this one on this side here. It has the inside ones, like one holding it through a plate right here, and then same thing on this side. And there's two, well, there's this plastic right here that you gotta take out on both sides, so it ain't too bad. But yeah, now we take it out. Hopefully it'll all come out good. And it's out, all in one piece, thankfully. It just has so much shit back here. We got this, that, so yeah, but we're all Gucci. Need to find a way to I need to fix this shit. Yeah, anyways, while I have it out, I'll find a way to make it work, how to clean it up a little bit, make it better, fix this shit here and there. Yep. Yeah. So not in a rush to get it back in there. So now here's where it's gonna be fun, boys. It's gonna be fun here. Cause see that hole through here? That's where it'll come down through, and then I have to get it in here. Cause this just comes off. There you go, just like that. That's just for the OEM intakes, so it'll route the air through there, whatever the hell you want to call it. This thing's the same way. Yep, just like that. Beautiful. Just useless plastic. And then for this side, I'm gonna have to. Oh, that's broken. That's not supposed to look like that, bud. That low life, it's a bitch, huh? Anyways, yeah, we this side might be a pain in the ass to do. We'll see. We'll figure out a way for it. We shall see. Yep, but it's out. So here we are now. I took the wiper washer bullshit off. It was just 3 bolts. We got this one here, and one here, up here, and then this one back here. And this little computer, God only knows where it goes to. So this one's fucking me up, because I was supposed to be able to bring the intake tube or whatever through here, and then have it route this way and then up. But we ain't looking like it right now, unless yeah, even if I cut this here, I mean, it's just cheap plastic. Even if I cut it there, it's not gonna work. So now I gotta figure out a way to make it fit. Probably like just stick it in there, maybe on both sides. This side I could probably make it work, because you could go through here, down, and it comes through here. It'll work, but the other side's not looking like it. So we just gotta do some thinking and improvise it, see how it goes, because this is the shit that happens with cars. Always, nothing ever goes as planned. So after further research, what I think I'm gonna do is just buy a little elbow here, and then connect the intake and filter in there, and probably call it a day, honestly, because this shit sucks. I was not planning on dealing with this, because the video I saw on YouTube, of course, the guy that did it did not have this module here, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So that screws a lot of it up. And I think if I put an elbow here and just shove the intake filter in there, it'll work fine. Same on this side, hopefully. So yeah, guess that's what we'll do. Stay tuned though, it's gonna take a little while. Alright guys, so I went ahead and bought this elbows from Mishimoto to make this shit work. I wanted to do one side to make sure it does. So here we got, these things are sitting a little high, but I checked this should be good, shouldn't hit it, like the hood, or maybe a little bit, I don't know, whatever. And then just shove it in there. So that's how they're gonna go, right in there. Gotta tighten it up over there, and then that's it, man. I've been thinking of way too many ways to do this, and like I think I said it on the other video, the round ones that were gonna be way more expensive, and I figured I'll give this a try before I spend more money. Well, that's that. They do sit pretty high, especially this side, but I knew I had to make a way, and we sure did. I was trying to, like I said before, trying to get it through here. Well, this side would have been fine, but not the other side. So yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Well, here's how we're looking now. It's pretty good to me, I'd say. See how they just shove in there? They're good. They're Gucci. We got clamps on clamps on clamps, boys. So it's good. This is the only thing, but something else we can really do about this shit. I already closed it on it and whatnot, and it's good. It clears it. So now we're gonna work on the bumper, get that fucker fixed, and get it put on. So all right, so here we got the bumper. It's this side that's kind of effed up right here, like broke off here, and then it has the crack right there. So I'm gonna weld it through the inside, and I'll probably just reinforce this one just to make sure we don't F it up. And here's the little plastic welding kit that we got. Anytime, there you go, right there. I got that on Amazon for like $30. Big shout out to my boy Hilberto again. Nah, yeah, he told me about it. So it was like $30 or $20 something, which is cool. I've never used it, so I'll probably fuck something up, but yeah, we have different whatever you want to call this shit to weld, so it'll be fun. So yeah, let's try this out. I mean, it's already fucked up somewhat, so you can only make it better. Alright, so that's, well, if focus, that's what it's looking like for now. Should probably let it cool down for a little bit, then just cut this puppies off from what I've seen. That should be hotter than shit, though. I put my finger on there, which obviously shouldn't, but just to see if it heats up. It heats up quicker than shit. So yeah, I'm gonna cut them off and then see. Alright, so that's as well as that's gonna be cleaned up. Looks good. Hopefully it's nice and sturdy. Yeah, nice and sturdy. I don't know if I should put one on the other side. Yeah, you know what? We're already here, so why not put another one on the other side? Better safe. Well, guys, that is that. Shit. Focus, focus, focus! Yep, there it goes. It's got a bunch of stitches here. And I already did this side. Not that I had to, but just better safe than sorry, right? I think that's probably gonna be it for this video, honestly. Still Christmas here. Well, hey, it's been there for a whole year or two. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I'll probably put the bumper on later on, because I still have to get smaller tires, and not until I do that I'm not gonna put it on, so there's no point on keep dragging this video. So hopefully you guys liked it and went through the struggle with me of getting those intakes in there. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, get some merch on the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.